Everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem is that your Instagram is not logging in your account, so you have to fix that. You have to make sure some settings to fix. You just simply go back to your phone settings and you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. You simply go back and you have to just go to again settings. If you find app Instagram from settings, if you didn't find, just simply go to settings search bar and simply search an Instagram, just like that, Instagram, and you go to the Instagram app info. If you do not have that options, just simply go back and just simply find an Instagram app and just tap on an Instagram app, and the right corner of your eye, just tap on it and just simply go to that interface. And after that, just simply go to scroll down and just find a storage, just tap on a storage and just clear the cache from here, also clear the data from here, and again go to your Instagram. If you again log in, try to log in. If you not log in, then again go to the Play Store and install the app and again install it, and your problem gonna fix. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.